Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia Lavolo, Robert Taumoepeau's Island Creation. Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia Lavolo, Robert Taumoepeau's creation is a living canvas of heritage and homage. This contemporary island creation is inspired by the legacy of Her Majesty Queen Siosi'ana III, celebrating her enduring contributions to Tongan music, poetry, and cultural identity. This gown is crafted from kietonga, a symbol of sacredness and prestige, and lined with flowing layers of feta'aki that move like the ocean tides, a reflection of Tonga's natural beauty and spiritual rhythm. Each wave of the dress is etched with lines from Queen Siosi'ana's most treasured poems, softly whispering her words with every graceful step. Written, not to be shouted, but felt, they echo the quiet power of a queen who ruled with wisdom, grace, and unwavering love for her people. Natural shells and lopa adorn the bodice and borders, honoring the ocean and surrounding us, while silhouette's elegance merges tradition with modernity, a tribute to the Queen's ability to bridge past and future. This is not merely a gown, it's a vessel of story, song, and soul. A contemporary ode to a royal artist whose voice still guides the tides of Tongan pride. Miss Pangaimotu's island creation was made by her beloved auntie, Sispati o Ha'ameahe, and Nana Siosi'ana Lavolo Robert. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia Lavolo Robert Taumoepeau.
Today I'm here with my uncle who will introduce himself.
Yes, my name is Earl Emerson.